Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you grow long and thicken hair naturally, get jet black hair from first use. You will notice a great results. Keep using that remedy to get an amazing result, my friends. It's super simple to prepare at home, yet this magical ingredients will grow your hair super fast, to the point that you will need actually to cut it if you do have dandruff or a hair infection or any kind of hair related problems, hair fall, any hair related problems. This magical remedy is for you. It will get you rid of all hair related problems and will get you long and thickened hair naturally, shiny hair from the roots. All you need to do is prepare this remedy and apply it on your hair and go to sleep. In the next morning, wash your hair like you would, and you can also leave it in. You don't need to wash it. This magical remedy moisturizes your hair deeply and will get you long and thickened hair, black hair naturally. So the first ingredient we need is coconut oil, and the second ingredient we need is vitamin E capsule. And vitamin E capsule easily available in the medical stores. Here I'm using the vitamin E capsule 1000 milligram. You can add any vitamin E available for you. It's easily available in the medical stores. So the first ingredient we need to add in a clean mixing bowl, add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil، يعني كي ناريال كتل. Then my friends, we need 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. And how to add it: cut the capsule like so and add the vitamin E oil like that. Now my friends, mix well the ingredients. The vitamin E will get into the coconut oil and they will be very well mixed. Now my friends, after mixing very well the ingredients, our magical remedy is ready. Dip in your fingertips like so, and in your hair, massage the hair scalp with it like that. Keep massaging the hair scalp, and then my friends, leave it in and go to sleep. You can wear a shower cap or don't wear a shower cap. This is in your hair roots. It doesn't cause any kind of greasy or anything. Leave it in your hair roots, massage your hair and go to sleep. In the next morning you can wash your hair if you prefer, and you also can leave it in. It doesn't cause any greasy, it's just a little bit in your hair roots. And my friends, the result will amaze you. You will get jet black hair and you will get long strong hair naturally, like a fake hair. It will be like a fake hair literally. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video.